Thanks for choosing BlackVue to provide you with the ultimate peace of mind. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of BlackVue's rear accessory camera for box models. Here's a look at the components we'll use for this installation. Proper placement of your camera is at the top center of the rear windshield, facing out. We recommend powering up your camera and connecting using the BlackVue app with Wi-Fi Live View to confirm your lens orientation is optimal. Wipe that area with the alcohol pad to ensure it's clean and dry before mounting. Unscrew the tamper-proof side cover, plug the straight end of the coaxial cable into the camera, and screw the tamper-proof cover back onto the camera unit. Plug the angled end of the coaxial cable into the main box unit. Next, peel the adhesive tape from the back of the camera and press it firmly against the glass. Now use the pry tool to hide wires under the headliner, plastic molding, or rubber sealing. Avoid running cables in any way that would interfere with airbag deployment. For more information, visit blackvue.com.